Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video we have to unbox Sensolatino sunglasses, and these sunglasses are made and designed in Italy, so let's check them out. As you can see, they come in this really nice box and also this case, and in addition here we have some stickers and we can post this picture on Instagram, so check my Instagram for the picture with these sunglasses. And we have here authenticity certificate, small instruction manual and cloth for cleaning. I like this box because it's very handy. You can basically put it in your backpack with this one and carry it easily along with you. But let's check the sunglasses itself. So as you can see, inside you will get this Italian flag, another box which is soft case, and inside are the sunglasses, which are again protected in this bag, so they make sure to ship it really protected. The model they send me is from their newest collection, and what I like about this company is that they have a lot of different models, and each model they gave it name by some famous city like Dubai, Monaco, Paris. I ordered one model actually which was called by the country United Arab Emirates, and it was looking differently like you see on the picture. But the one they sent me also, I liked it by design. What I don't like is that it is colored lenses. I'm not fan of colored lenses, and I mentioned this before because they will give the reflection of your face inside, so the visibility will not be that good. So let's check the details of these sunglasses and then we can test them how they look on my face. As you can see here, the details are really impressive on these sunglasses. Most of their sunglasses are polarized, but in addition to the polarization they have the UV 400 protection, and this category 3 is telling us the percentage of visibility through the sunglasses for different type of environments. So as you can see here, different categories tells you the different purposes, where category 3 is suitable for general purpose. It gives us high protection against sun glare. Like I mentioned before, here we can see that they are polarized and the name of this model with the dimensions of these sunglasses. And one more detail in front of the sunglasses where they put their brand Sensolatino. So the sunglasses, I really like the look of them and they are really made with love. So the only thing which is left is to try these sunglasses, how they look on my face and how they behave outside on the sun. Early going to job is ideal opportunity to try the sunglasses. So as I can see, the color of the lenses does not affect the surroundings, so everything is nice and they are pretty pleasant to wear. However, mostly I am wearing the sunglasses while I am driving, and I can confirm for that also they are very comfortable. However, again, I would prefer some model which give like black lenses or green lenses, but without this mirror green coloring. So what do you think? Is this design and color suitable for me? Let me know in the comments below. How do I look with these sunglasses? So my work is around 10 minutes of drive, so I already arrived, and as you can see, the mileage is pretty interesting. So in regards to that, let me give also these sunglasses. I will do also giveaway of these sunglasses, but this time I will limit it only to my viewers and subscribers from United Arab Emirates. So the test is, if you can spot this building behind me, it is known building in Abu Dhabi, and if you know this building, so the first one who guessed the name of the company which owns this building will get these sunglasses as a gift. I will bring it to his address, so just leave the email below if you know this building. The good thing about these sunglasses is that they are very light and very comfortable to wear. And that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like it, to subscribe to this channel, and make sure to check the link below in the description of this video for Sensolatino website, where you can order this or some other models if you like. They have also both female and male, so make sure to check the link below, order some if you like it, and until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.